Welcome to the Cryptocurrency, Blockchain, and Fintech Academy. This is Lawrence Wilson back with you again here from Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you today the Certified Blockchain Developer and Hyperledger Fabric Certification Training Program, otherwise known as CBDH. This particular training program is focused on those of you who are software developers and engineers, obviously interested in blockchain technology and specifically the underlying Hyperledger Fabric, which is really the core technology which facilitates and enables blockchains to operate successfully. Now, this particular program is a very robust and broad training program that is going to give you the skills that you need to not only pass the certification exam, but help boost your career opportunities and earnings potential in the greater blockchain and Hyperledger arena that is just growing at double, if not triple digit rates per annum. Let me mention briefly the 15 different components or modules that constitute this training program. They include Certified Blockchain Developer and Hyperledger Overview, how blockchains work, Blockchain Architectural Review, Hyperledger Project Overview, Hyperledger Framework Comparisons, Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Fundamentals and Components, Hyperledger Transactions, deploying Hyperledger on BaaS, Blockchain as a Service, installing Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Fabric Explorer, Composer, as well as Hyperledger Development, Bootstrapping, and finally, a course wrap-up and conclusion. When combined, all of these capabilities translate into tangible, hands-on skills that you can apply in your current and future positions and help enable you to successfully pass the CBDH exam. So click on that link below our video. Our website, as always, has the full course curriculum as well as how you can register for the CERT exam for CBDH and begin advancing your career and opening up new business and income opportunities. This is Lawrence Wilson for Cryptocurrency, Blockchain, and Fintech Academy. I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.